Hello everyone. From today we are going to start a very important topic from organic chemistry, and that is none other than IUPAC naming of organic compound. In this session we'll talk about how to write IUPAC name for the given branched hydrocarbon, which may be alkane, alkene or alkyne. We'll start with the three different questions. This is the first one, and what we need to do before writing IUPAC name, we have to find out the longest carbon chain. That longest carbon chain is said to be as parent chain, and whatever with the rest part attached with the parent chain said to be as substituent, or in this particular condition all the substituents will be alkyl group. So let's start with the topic how to write IUPAC name. Longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the longest carbon chain, and this longest carbon chain is considered as parent chain. The longest carbon chain is known as parent chain. How many carbon atoms are there? There are 6 carbon atoms in the parent chain. Therefore, we can identify the given alkane or substituted alkane will have 6 carbon atoms, and this part is said to be as substituent. So we can write like this: substituent, and this substituent CH3 is known as methyl group, and this is the parent chain. This is the parent chain. The first step is completed. Now in the next step, what we have to do, we have to numbering the parent chain, and the numbering of parent chain carbons should be carried out in such a way so that the substituent occupy lowest possible number. So if the numbering is doing like this, left to right, the position number of the substituent is 3. If we number from this side, then the number it will be 4. So there is a rule for numbering of parent chain which consists of one particular substituent, that is alkyl group. The numbering should be carried out in such way so that position number of the substituent must be minimum. So the numbering from left to right is the correct, and right to left is wrong. Now that all the steps are completed, now we can write the name of the given branched hydrocarbon. Position number of the substituent is 3 dash. Name of the substituent 3-methyl, and how many carbon atoms are there? 6 carbon, 3-methyl hexane. So it is very simple to figure out how to write the IUPAC name of branch chain organic compound or hydrocarbon. Now in the next example, we have to write the IUPAC name of this. Before writing IUPAC name, longest carbon chain is considered. So this is the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is longest carbon chain. The longest carbon chain may be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. In every case, if we choose this one, on that one, the number of substituent attached with the parent chain remains same. So we can choose any of the longest carbon chain. This is substituent and the name of the substituent is methyl group or simply methyl. Now write the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the numbering left to right, because when we are giving number from left to right, the substituent occupy the lowest number. If we number the carbon chain from right to left, then the substituent will occupy the highest number, that is the 3. So we have to choose this one. Now both the substituents are at position number 2. So we can write like this 2, 2 dash, and both the substituents are same, that is methyl. So we can write 2, 2 dimethyl. And how many carbon atoms in the parent chain? There are 4 carbon atoms. So we can write 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Now this is the last one for this particular class. Again, what we have to do, we need to find out the longest carbon chain, that is parent chain. This is parent chain. And there are 2 substituents, CH3 and CH2CH3. CH3 stands for methyl and CH2CH3 stands for ethyl. So again we have to numbering the parent chain. So we can numbering like this. Two substituent, and this can be numbered like this also: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There is a very interesting rule to numbering the parent chain in case of having more than one substituent. The numbering should be carried out in such way so that the sum of the position number of the substituent should be minimal. So if we choose this type of numbering from left to right, the sum of the position number of both substituent 4 plus 5 9, and in this case it is 3 plus 4 7. So we can easily predict the numbering process. Now we can write the IUPAC name of this branch chain organic compound: CH2CH3 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl, 3 methyl. And how many carbon atoms in the parent chain? 7. It is heptane. So in this particular session we introduce IUPAC naming for the branch chain organic compound, particularly hydrocarbon. I hope that this particular lecture makes you quite clear clarification about the IUPAC naming method. In our next class, we'll talk about some more examples and some more rules to write the IUPAC naming of branch chain organic compound. And finally, I'd like to ask each and everyone that if you have any kinds of doubt in your mind, then you can make the comment on my comment box. And if you like this particular lecture, do not forget to subscribe this channel, in which we can clarify the concept of chemistry. Thank you for watching.